Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope my all the sweet viewers and YouTube community are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy viewers. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor and I am very happy to see this. Secondly, you can see viewers, in this video I am providing you most amazing, gorgeous and trending crochet handmade shirts ideas with patterns. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and friends who want these type of beautiful crochet dresses ideas. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique shirts designs ideas. So pick your favorite one and wear beautiful shirt for more beautiful and amazing look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, be connected with me. Bye bye.